So ito guys, yung Pyramid of Sun. Tapos yun naman be, is yung Pyramid of Moon. Sa paniniwala nila be, marami silang iba't ibang Diyos dito. Meron silang Diyos ng araw, Diyos ng ulan, Diyos ng buwan. So sasabi nga nila, baka merong kinalaman o meron tong historical coincidence sa pyramid dito versus sa pyramid sa Egypt. So for today's tour, pupunta tayo sa Teotihuacan. Mga alas 4 pa lang, gumising na ako dahil sinundo ako ng tour ng mga bandang 4:30 AM. Tapos, nag-register muna kami bago kami dumiretso sa site kung saan kami lilipad. At take note, itong tour na to ay napakamahal. Nagkakahalaga to ng 13,000 pesos lang naman. Wow, be! Dito na tayo ngayon, be! Sa paliparan ng hot air balloon. Wow! So, iba pa yung paliparan site doon sa may pyramid. So pagkakaalam ko, kasi wala pa akong nakikita pyramid dito, puro mga hot air balloon pa lang. Wow, ang lalaki nila guys, and I'm so excited. Hopefully, maging maganda yung sunrise, and sana hindi lumakas yung hangin dahil sensitive ang mga hot air balloon sa hangin. Konting lakas lang ng hangin guys, pwedeng liparin kami sa kung saan or itigil yung paglipad. At saka ang sabi pa sa amin kanina, sakaling lumakas yung bugso ng hangin, pwede na nilang biglaing pababain na lang daw kami for our safety. So hopefully maging maayos yung ating paglipad. So bago kami umakyat, bibigyan muna nila kami ng time para makapagpa-picture-picture at ma-enjoy natin itong sights na meron tayo with the hot air balloons. Ayan guys, sa likod ko, yung sasakay namin na hot air balloon ngayon. So, ayaw ko, I'm flabbergasted. Ataray. Medyo kinakabahan ako ngayon guys, kinakabahan ako. And medyo parang natatay ako sa kaba, Diyos ko. Ito yung hirap pag itong kinakabahan ka eh. Wow, they're all flying now. Wow. Okay.
Dude, I love your nails.
Oh, thank you so much. So, ayun guys, akit na tayo guys ng hot air balloon. Oh my God. Ayan, kung napansin nyo, wala na yung mga hot air balloon. Wala na sila pag nagsiakyatan na sila. So, let's go up. Ako na yung last one guys sa aakyat. Whoa! Wow! Oh my God. Oh my God, sobrang init guys, nakakaloka. Oh my God.
Just follow your heart.
Put your knees right in and you shake it all around. Okay. Thank you. No, it's okay. I'm recording. It's okay.
I didn't know it.
Okay, okay.
Hi.
Wow.
Okay, guys, this is Francis. We just met.
Okay, this is Sam, and this is Evelyn. So hot. Grabe. Hi, you're Bailey?
Bailey.
Hi, Bailey.
Oh my God.
Hi, Francis. Francis.
Francis,
Nice meeting you. Sana maganda yung mga picture nito na binibenta nila sa akin babaya para makabili ako. Wow. Hindi ko alam, be, sobrang init pala talaga nito, be. Wow. Natutunaw ang makeup natin. Wow. The makeup will all melt.
I know. So just to remember, we cannot touch any other cords. Just the cords that are inside the
This
bag.
one, the ties. Yeah, the rope. Okay.
When landing, if you're landing towards the front or the back or whichever way, we're gonna go the opposite way and we're gonna squat.
Okay.
Be safe and have fun.
Thank you so much, Amanda. Bye-bye. See ya. Woo! Woo!
My hair's gonna burn.
Oh my God.
Oh, and there.
Feliz vuelo! What does it mean? Okay, happy flying! Feliz,
Feliz cumpleaños!
Feliz cumpleaños! This is so unbelievable, be. Lumilipad na tayo ngayon. Ang taas na natin. Wow. So this ride, be, is like 45, 60 minutes. Wow. So far, nag-enjoy naman ako sa nakikita ko. I love it. Wow. The drone. Where? Wow! So andyan na guys yung pyramid. Nakikita na namin.
Okay, let's go.
Wow! Ayun na guys sa baba yung pyramid, oh. Wow!
Miedo?
No hablas español. No. Yeah.
Todo tranquilo?
Scared, yeah. We're so high right now. Oh my God, nakakalula.
Don't think.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go.
Imagine guys, ilan tong hot air balloon na lumilipad kasama namin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ang dami. Siguro more or less than 50, mga ganon. Pero more than 20 or 30. Wow. So amazing.
This is the best birthday yet.
Grabe, malapit na tayo sa langit. A little boy once said, Malapit na tayo kay Papa Jesus. So ngayon guys, pababa na kami I think. We're starting to land. Pero hindi ko alam saan kami bababa. So pagbaba, they told us, kailangan mag-squat na kami. Tapos sumawak na lang kami sa mga tali dito sa hot air balloon. How's your first time of flying?
It was great.
Happy birthday!
Ay, ikaw pinagpawisan.
Yes. So, papababain na rin lang guys yung balloon dito sa harap namin. At hindi pa nabiro talaga palipad ng hot air balloon, no?
Se vuelve más ligero, más ligero. Aún cuando vamos bajando yo tengo que inyectar calor para nivelarlo, freñarlo. El lobo en todo momento se va enfriando. Inyectando calor constantemente.
Ayan guys, sinasara na nila yung balloon. Wow.
Should've smacked us, right? Mine's so
Chicos, con mucho cuidado de este lado podemos bajar. Y de aquel lado viene la mejor parte del vuelo, chicos.
Okay, gracias.
El brindis.
We can start exiting out. Do it safely.
De este lado tenemos la mejor parte del vuelo.
Oops, careful. It's okay.
Oh, get it.
Okay.
Qué rico.
Oh, let's get our drinks. Happy birthday!
Oh,
So ngayon naman guys, mag-breakfast na tayo dito sa loob ng kanilang cave. Maiba lang cave.
Is everyone okay sitting together or?
Yeah.
we all hate each other. Yeah, we all ended up.
So ito na guys, pupunta na tayo sa cave. Welcome to my cave.
Your man cave?
Yeah.
Right?
Wow. It's actually better than the pictures. Ang arte ko naman. Nahawa ako sa mga kasama ko dito. We're gonna sit here. Thank you for inviting us.
Of course, I'm happy to host everyone. I can only reference Real Housewives, so I apologize in advance if no one watches. But
What's the table thing we like least about it?
Omelette and with cheese or mushroom with cheese. The option 3 is crumb omelette with
Bon appetit! So, ang tawag sa kinakain ko ngayon, be, is chilaquiles. Isa siyang traditional Mexican breakfast na gawa sa tortillas. So, meron siyang green or red salsa. So, yung sa akin is green. And meron siyang onting chicken, cheese, tapos refried beans, and scrambled egg.
Cuando se mueve, todos saben lo que va a pasar. Morena, esa morena linda, se vuelve loca cuando alguien la invita a bailar.
It's small. It's a small town. Also, like I said, do you remember when I told you that this was an active volcano?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, right now we're going to see it. There are so many hills here in Teotihuacan, but the biggest one that we think that was the volcano is called Cerro Gordo. Okay? Cerro Gordo is the most biggest and fattest hill that we have here in the valley. Usually, in the month of March, maybe, we have a pilgrimage from the towns to all the way up the hill. We take about 3 to 4 hours walking. We take our saint, Jesus Christ, and we have like a little church up there, and we have like a type of country fair, okay? As you can see, it's the one in the front, the big hill where the clouds are. Okay.
No.
No one's heard about La Villa. Okay, it's the biggest like type of church that we have in Mexico City. We celebrate the Virgin Maria, okay? So that's the biggest pilgrimage that we have here in Mexico. All the states go. We also have like horseback ridings. Other horses come from different states.
We can see the colors. The malachite, the lapis lazuli, the brown venturine, the blue venturine, tiger side has a one extent. For me, this one is the most important. He's huehueteo. It's the place the people on the Capandas. Like this, these are remembrance of the people that finished the journey alive to continue our memories. So we live with action. We come back to the adventure again. Okay, it's part of our tradition. Okay, friends, so welcome to Teotihuacan. In this place, I will teach about different topics. I will teach about the maguey, our wonderful plant, and I will show you the different benefits that we can get only with one agave here. When we finish with the plant, continue with the obsidian, that it was very important for the evolution of the area. And then the happy hour, the tasting, okay? Yes, the day is too cold, so you need energy.
Can I have a venti order of this?
Oh my god!
2 liters.
Jeez. Well, let's do it with the the Palent abajo. Yeah.
Do you want to say the words? Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
Repeat with me. Arriba.
Arriba. Abajo. A centro. Ojo, pimiento.
It's good.
It's good.
Interesting. This one is a liquor of choconostle. The choconostle is the pink fruit of the nopal. That is like prickly pear.
Okay.
But the prickly pear is behind it, and the choconostle is small.
Is it like the fruit of the cactus?
Yes.
Okay.
The choconostle is small acid, but the liquor is sweet because contains honey. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Right here. Okay, don't drink it yet.
Is this Bayager also?
Maybe not, but
Just curious.
okay, friends. So with it, we need to switch
Cheers.
to other
Okay.
magic words.
Okay.
But
There's
not
more.
in English because I need to
Okay.
explain. Repeat with me. I extend my arm.
I extend my arm.
And bring it back.
And bring it back.
Shake it off.
I'll shake it off.
Drink it off.
I'll drink it off.
Cheers.
Oh, sweet.
That's sweet.
You don't want to drink? Okay.
Can't believe it's like
This is like fireball.
Tastes like a honey. Honey.
Do you like mezcal?
Wow.
Yes.
Like it.
Mezcal. It was warm, okay?
Yes.
Wait, that one? What was that one?
Mezcal.
Mezcal. The other one.
The other one?
Yeah.
Liquor of choconostle.
Choconostle. Yeah.
Don't drink it yet. There are steps to enjoy the mezcal.
Yes. Okay.
I love mezcal.
Okay, don't drink it yet. You can smell. It's smoky.
Ooh.
A little bit of
Smoky. Yeah, it's strong. Like,
You're right, it's smoky.
there.
So repeat with me. Para todo mal,
Para todo mal,
un mezcal.
un mezcal.
Para todo bien,
Para todo bien,
también.
también.
Y si no hay remedio,
Ese no hay remedio.
nos chingamos
Nos chingamos
litro y medio.
litro y medio. Cheers.
A little bit smoky.
Strong.
And
Ooh.
I don't know if you like it.
Okay.
I think everyone likes the one prior.
Walang pulutan.
I don't know.
Don't have lemon?
Your reaction and hers are the same.
I'm like, do you have lemon? Singgay.
And this one is like Bailey.
Okay, I like it. Why?
Almond milk.
Ooh, almond leek. Wow, almendras. So, masarap to with almond milk. Ooh.
Strawberry.
Oh, sarap.
Sweet.
Tastes like Baileys nga. Like Baileys.
Okay, friends, I have to finish. Repeat with me again.
Okay, let's repeat.
Arriba.
Arriba! Abajo! Adentro! O bebiendo!
Adentro.
Adentro. Mmm.
Is it
So good.
I recommend you.
So good.
Your ice cream oil.
Tama sa panghugas. Like it. Love it.
A gozar mi gente. Ay, qué rico.
So ngayon guys, mag-move on naman tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano na mga minerals daw dito.
It's okay, I'll identify it.
Bueno, mira. Morena, morena linda. Cuando se mueve todos saben lo que va a pasar. Morena, esa morena linda.
So ito guys, yung Pyramid of Sun. Tapos yun naman be, is yung Pyramid of Moon. Sa paniniwala nila be, marami silang iba't ibang Diyos dito. Meron silang Diyos ng araw, Diyos ng ulan, Diyos ng buwan, Diyos, maraming ganon. Sa pagkakaalam ko, sa lugar nila, meron pang mga nasa 5,000 people yung naniniwala sa ganong uri ng relihiyon o paniniwala. Kasi alam naman natin na ang Mexico is sagrado katolikong bansa. Like, marami silang pinagdiriwang na parang pilgrimage. Like sabi nung tour guide namin, meron silang sa susunod na buwan ata na 4 na araw na maglalakad yung mga tao. Marami silang klaseng uri ng alay, lakad, paniniwala para kasi tulad ng bansa natin be, marami sa lugar din nila ipinangalan sa mga santo. Like meron din sa San Francisco, San Martin, San Ildefonso, marami be. So nakakatuwa lang. And just to imagine na itong mga architecture na ito, itong mga pyramid na to is ginawa pa noong unang panahon, di ba? Di ba? Na parang wala pa, di pa na-invento ang math. Na-invento nila yung nagawa nila na maayos. At mula noon hanggang ngayon, andyan pa rin nakatayo. Di ba? So sasabi nga nila, baka merong kinalaman o meron tong historical coincidence sa pyramid dito versus sa pyramid sa Egypt. Just so amazing. And just to walk around here, like, alam mo yung habang naglalakad ako, dinadamdam ko yung parang I'm walking in the past, in the history. Imagine nyo na lang, walang record sila kung gaano katagal nila itinayo itong mga pyramids na ito. Pero naniniwala sila dati na until hanggang ngayon, pagdating ng spring equinox, tama ba yun? Para March 21, 22, ganyan. Pagdating ng tanghaling tapat nun, lahat sila nagsusuot ng puting damit. Kasi dun na papasok yung mga mabuting enerhiya para mapalitan lahat ng mga masamang energy. No? Just imagine like before they did this without like proper measurements.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
Like look at the patterns. Like
also
the architecture, the design.
Before the Spanish came, they didn't have like wheels or something here.
They don't have what?
They didn't have any wheels or like any like animals to use.
Just look at how
like cows weren't here.
How they
during the Americas.
It's so straight, right?
Yeah, it's so straight. Yeah.
Horses aren't from America either, so
yeah,
that's really hard. Like all by hand.
Yeah. Yeah, that's another factor. Like there are no horses before here, or the donkeys are like brought by Europeans here.
The biggest animal here they have was like
the alpaca.
Yeah,
the alpaca. Just amazing. Like, oh my god.
But
we made it. We're here. Like, because imagine, I come from the other side of the world. So, from the Pyramid of Sun, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Pyramid of Moon. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya ganun kapantay, no? 'Diba? So, hindi naman talaga laging perfect, no? Pero just imagine na sobrang galing lang talaga. Parang almost to perfect. 'Diba? Tsaka sobrang tibay lang. Kasi tagal-tagal ng mga to. Though ngayon guys, pinagbabawal na yung pag-akit dyan. Siguro sabi nila, since COVID, pinagbawal na nila yung pag-akit ng mga tao. Before yung mga tao nakakakit pa dyan. Pero nakakapagod lang. Kung meron kayo narinig guys, parang pero silang dito parang laruan na inihipa, tapos ganoon yung tunog. During the tour, dadaan kayo sa artisan shops, yung pinuntahan namin kanina, huwag kayo bibili doon dahil mahal. Dito na lang kayo bumili kasi mas mura dito. Unless gusto nyo mag-spend ng maraming pera, go. Pero if you want to save some cash, just buy here. Or just don't buy if you don't want to spend. Ang ganda lang pagmasdan din na parang bawat pyramid, alam mo yung parang bawat pyramid is parang stage. Tapos bawat stage yung parang, ewan ko, masyadong nag-imagine lang ako na parang pang pelikula, tapos bawat niya may mga inaalay sila, di ba? Yung parang the festivities of before. Wow. Although dito guys, mag-ingat din kayo sa mga nagtitinda-tinda. Dito lang ako nag-prayer sila dyan. So yung mga nagtitinda dito guys, nalapita kayo, sabi nila, almost free, just $1. Hindi yung totoo din. Aangat yung presyo na yan. So nakabili ako ng kwintas dito sa halagang $20, ganyan. Tapos nakabili din ako ng kwintas din sa halagang, actually mas mura yung nabili ko last na san. So hindi ko na pakita kasi pag nakita nila pakita ko ngayon, baka bumili to, so benta na naman ako. So kung ayaw mo na naman lapitan kanila, sabihin mo lang, no, gracias.
Like, honestly, we just needed 20 minutes.